My name's Mitali, and I am currently working at DigitalOcean as a software engineer, and I'm on the data engineering team here. I went to school at Santa Clara University. As a part of our curriculum at Santa Clara University, we actually partner with organizations out there in the industry to carry out like a project. So we did our project with DigitalOcean where we were trying to build out this AI application where basically potential customers who wanted to migrate from other cloud services to maybe DigitalOcean could basically do something as simple as uploading their invoice, and then on the back end we infer their current usage, the services they're using, and try to map that out with DigitalOcean's offerings, and then sort of give them an estimate of what is it in terms of like cost savings that they're looking at if they chose to migrate to DigitalOcean. The project did end up going live and it's out there on the internet for people to use. And it was a really nice feeling. Actually, I was at a Bay Area meetup very recently and I met up with a person, with a PM that I was working with. And then we went on to like talk about that project a little bit. And there was another person from the marketing team there. And she's like, oh my God, I really need to talk to you. That's such a cool project. And that felt really nice to know that we actually had a value addition and that people actually needed a product like that. So yeah, that was a really cool experience, and to be able to get the kind of sort of push to actually know that the project you did actually has some value to it. One of the most important thing I learned was how to design like scalable data pipelines and how to like think in terms of like data quality, schema design, and like observability, and how like the downstream workflows get affected by the design choices or the engineering choices you make in the like the bigger schema of things is something that I think I use it on a daily basis. My last manager, Marina, she really went out of her way to make sure that I got all the help that I needed and all of the and was connected to the right people to make this happen, because the kind of project we were trying to implement had a lot of moving parts and needed like knowledge from a lot of other teams that we probably didn't already have on our team. So I feel like the way she sort of handled those situations and made sure that we had like FaceTime with people outside of our teams who could help us with the project really sort of showed me the kind of leader or a colleague that I'd like to be to somebody who's like newer in the team. I think the one of the most important thing you can do is like start asking questions really early. Don't hesitate asking questions even if you think like they're probably silly, because nobody at Dio is gonna make you feel that way. Everybody's gonna try to help you and break it down for you in the best way possible. And also like just take ownership. Don't be afraid to like just think beyond the scope of your ticket. So all of these things will really help you understand like the why behind the system, as well as like the customer impact that certain decisions have. And I think that every all of those things just make you grow in your career.